Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to find your T-Mobile transfer pin. Okay, so all official steps you can see on your screen, so let's get started.
How to get T-Mobile account number and transfer pin. Step 1. Download and install the T-Life app from the App Store or Google Play. Step 2. Open the app and sign into your T-Mobile account. Step 3. Tap Manage at the bottom right corner. Step 4. Your account number will be shown at the top of the page. Step 5. Tap the gear icon in the top right corner. Step 6. Tap Permissions and Controls. Step 7. Tap Transfer PIN. Step 8. Tap Get a transfer PIN to generate your 6-digit PIN. Note: the PIN is valid for 1 week. Step 9. Use your account number and transfer PIN to transfer your number to a new carrier. Step 10. Keep your T-Mobile account active until the transfer is complete.
So dear friends, by using this method you can easily find your T-Mobile transfer pin or port pin. Okay, so if you're facing any issue you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.